Hi, and welcome to BrandVox AI. My name is Vlad, I'm the co-founder and CEO, and I'm here to present to you our company today. BrandVox AI is where we bring your brand, your voice on every channel. So let's get going. The current AI deployment in businesses is not on brand. It's slow, it's complex, and it's expensive. There is high fragmentation due to companies implementing more than 6 SaaS apps every 30 days. There's slow adoption due to departments needing months of specialized engineering work to implement solid AI solutions, and teams just simply cannot keep up with the pace of AI's rapid evolution. There's also complexities that create conflicting messaging across support, sales, and marketing channels, leading potentially to over 70% of customers which stop buying due to brand inconsistencies alone. All of these things, if we continue implementing them, will lead to current deployment and guarantees of slow AI implementation, of fragmented AI implementation, a weakened brand voice, and guarantees driving customers away. This is exactly what we don't want to do. Here's where BrandVox AI comes in and how it solves this problem. The BrandVox AI ecosystem allows you to build your brand AI stack. This is where you control it and you maximize your return on investment. The BrandVox AI core is where it starts off with. This is a central brain for brain knowledge and rules where you train your brand voice only once. This includes your tone, your data, your communication rules and styles, and everything that is needed to become the foundation for your AI ecosystem. Everything you do from here will sound like you and your brand and follow your brand guidelines. The second layer is our BVs. The BVs are AI brand agents that we deploy within the platform that you will be able to use for multiple purposes in the different stages of growing your business. So let me show you a few examples. The support BV means that you can create your custom company GPT of sorts. You can customize every aspect from colors to borders, you can train it to respond just like you, and you can deploy it across multiple channels and departments in just a few clicks. You can have it on your website, you can have it on your Instagram page, you can have it on your Facebook page, and many different channels for things like customer support, sales support, lead generation, HR onboarding, and several other use cases. It's a system where you can centralize your brand communication using AI technologies. The second is the social media BV. Social media is an essential part of growing a brand online today, so we created a tool where you can create a post which is on brand and on target market with just a few clicks. You can generate the post from the platform, you can directly post it to your desired channel, or you can schedule it for later. This offers you to use the power of AI to quickly generate posts, saving you time and increasing your revenues with on-brand content using AI. The SEO BV allows you to have full in-depth SEO analysis with just a few clicks, where you input your domain name and you instantly receive a full SEO report with key action points. It allows you to stay on top of your competition, increase your SEO rankings, and generate more revenues and customers to your site. Now, these sound cool, but these are just a few examples. We have over 100 BVs like these in development. We are developing the ecosystem for all future brand growth. When companies want to grow their brands online, they're going to come to BrandVox AI. So how do we do this? We built a central brand intelligence layer with 3 key fundamental pillars that drove us to the new developments in our platform. The first one is a modular AI backbone. We are not tied to any LLM provider. Users get to choose the best foundation model for the job. They can choose ChatGPT for creativity, Claude for long context, or Gemini for speed. Regardless of which model they use, we always have maximum performance with controlled costs. On top of that, this allows BrandVox AI to always have the latest LLM features and handle regulation changes with ease. This way, we're not tied to any provider, and we constantly keep adding new providers as they advance. The second foundation is the native multilingual support, where you train your brand voice only once in one language and deploy it over 70 languages. This allows us to instantly scale globally and allows our customers to implement these solutions in various regions in the world. On-brand agent flow builders is the third foundation, where we not only attract novice AI users, but also advanced users that can build their own custom BVs and logic flows using our drag and drop agentic workflow system. This allows the full ecosystem capability of BrandVox AI, and it opens the doors for creating a marketplace, which I'm going to talk about a little bit later. Here we're capturing a massive market opportunity. The global AI market is expected to grow to over $1 trillion by 2030. The AI and business development is expected to grow to over $80 billion by 2030, and the serviceable obtainable market for us is standing at over $800 million as a baseline target for 2030. 71% of customers are expecting real-time brand engagement across every channel in real time, which is up from just 54% 2 years ago. This is a report generated from Salesforce in 2024, so you can only imagine how these numbers are going to look like in a few months from now with the new reports. So the market is there, the product is there, and we're capturing a massive opportunity here. The competitive landscape is, of course, increasing. So how do we make sure that BrandVox AI stands out? Here we're trying to create our own market niche and segment through introducing a modular and simple AI implementation platform while offering brand voice control and cross-department use. This is something that our competitors struggle with, and we're niching down on the brand building aspect, and we're creating our own market segment here with these core key features. How do we plan to monetize this? Through a recurring revenue SaaS model, ranging from a starter to a premium plan, from $59 a month all the way to $299 a month, as well as offering custom pricing and integrations for enterprise packages. The traction shows us a 60% conversion rate from pilot to paid users, currently ranging around 15 paying users with the numbers increasing week by week. We have a 100% customer retention rate in the first 30 days, which shows the stickiness of our platform. And we have on average 3 BVs deployed per customer, which shows the effectiveness of the ecosystem and the stickiness of the platform and the product we're developing here. None of this would have been possible without the team. So starting from left to right, that's me, the co-founder and CEO of Vlad, with over 10 years of experience in building startups and scaling in Europe and US. Most recently, I helped build and scale Smize from the beginning over the last 5 years at over 9-figure valuation globally. Hakan is our co-founder and CTO with over 6 years of experience in building and architecting AI solutions and apps for companies like Accenture and Amazon, and he brings extensive technical knowledge to our team. Chet is our business development lead with over 20 years of experience in driving TV content acquisitions, licensing deals, and strategic partnerships at companies like Discovery Channel over a long 20-year career. Dokan is our head of engineering, who is an experienced security engineer with over 4 years of experience in large companies like Jotform and Trendle, and he is there to make sure that our systems are secure, encrypted, and always on top of regulations. All of this leads to our product roadmap and how we further plan to expand our platform. The development will start with developing over 100 BVs in Q1 26. It will move on to developing the BV voice, which is going to be able to respond, and customers will be able to use the voice to navigate the BVs and not just through text and inputs. This is coming in Q2 26. We have over 500 API integrations planned with a focus on strategic partnerships with high leverage potential in Q3 26. Once we have the solid customer base, we plan to expand this base on the mobile platforms through our BrandVox AI app, which is going to be launching on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store by Q4 26. The final piece of the puzzle is the BV marketplace, where we will be opening our technology to developers to create custom BVs and share them on our marketplace and be able to monetize them, expanding and creating an AI agent BV marketplace, which is coming in Q4 26. All of this leads to a solid investment opportunity, and we are raising $2 to $2.5 million in seed funding to scale BrandVox AI into the leading ecosystem for brand growth. We're planning to distribute 45% of the resources to engineering team expansion, 15% to AI and product development, 35% to sales and marketing, and 5% to strategic partnerships. All of this brings us to BrandVox AI, where we bring your brand, your voice on every channel. Thank you for your attention. My name is Vlad again. I'm happy to hear your thoughts and any questions you may have, and you can contact us anytime on the channels below. I wish you a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Goodbye.